Have you been seeing bold ads claiming OptiVell can restore eyesight, repair your retina, and erase digital eye strain almost overnight? Because that's exactly what caught my attention before I decided to look closer and put the supplement to the test to see what the real results look like beyond the hype. And honestly, what I found was a very mixed picture that buyers should know about. OptiVell is marketed as a breakthrough vision formula promising clearer eyesight, better focus, reduced eye fatigue, and even cell regeneration. But despite these dramatic claims, I couldn't find any verified third-party clinical studies backing up the science behind those promises, which is already a major red flag, especially when terms like retinal repair and vision restoration are medically unrealistic. Another concern is that several official-looking OptiVell websites linked to the product show extremely low trust scores, including OptiVell.site, OptiVell.org, and OptiVell supplement.shop, which is commonly seen in short-term rebranded supplement campaigns. Many testimonials across these pages appear suspiciously similar, with wording that looks generated or copied and pasted between sites. And I also noticed fake-looking doctor endorsements paired with countdown timers and limited stock deals designed to pressure purchases. After trying the product and observing the results over time, I experienced no noticeable improvement in eyesight clarity or reduction in eye strain compared to normal screen breaks or hydration. And reports from other buyers mirror the same outcome, saying the supplement delivered little to no real effect. At the same time, it also didn't create side effects for me, so it didn't feel outright harmful, just largely ineffective compared to the bold promises. Overall, while OptiVell may contain standard supplement ingredients found in many vision formulas, there's nothing proving it can deliver the dramatic results it claims, which makes it fall into that gray area of heavy marketing with weak evidence. So before spending your money, make sure you stay skeptical. Check real reviews carefully, and remember that no pill can magically restore eyesight the way these ads suggest.